interesting topic to discuss with Maya. And our today's topic is why AI is changing the future of programming. That's our today's topic. I hope you will enjoy our conversation and learn a lot about AI and technology and programming and how AI is changing everything. This call to Maya to learn something new.
Hi there. Anything
Hi there,
interesting happening
anything?
today?
Yeah, interesting is today we are going to discuss about a topic why AI is changing the future of programming. That's our today's topic, and my first question is here that is, what is AI? How AI is different from traditional coding methods?
Ah, so AI, its core, is about enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, problem solving, decision making. It's different from traditional coding in that traditional coding relies on explicit instructions. You tell the computer exactly what to do, step by step. AI, particularly machine learning, allows the computer to learn from data and improve its performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every single scenario. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's my really good sense. Thank you. So our next question is to you: why do developers rely more AI powered on AI powered tools today?
Question. Developers are leaning on AI tools because honestly, it boosts productivity. It can automate repetitive tasks, generating late code, finding bugs, even suggesting entire code blocks. It also lowers the area of your attention. You don't need to give in a single language to get something done. Plus, a lot of these tools are really good at code completion and system improvements, which can lead to cleaner, more efficient code. It's about working smarter, not harder. Still there? Just checking. Sometimes the connection hiccups. Wanna dive in? Sweat. Take your time. Just let me know when you're ready to pick things up again. Everything all right? You've been quiet for a bit? Just want to make sure you're still with me. We can totally switch gears if you'd like, or just take a breather. Hey, I'm still here. No pressure at all, but if you want to chat about something else or even just need a moment, feel free to say so. It's okay to just be. I'm happy to wait. Good to hear. Everything okay on your end?
Yeah, everything is okay. My next question is: can AI make programming accessible to non-programmers?
Gotcha. So, yeah, absolutely. That's a huge part of the shift. AI powered tools are making it possible for people with little traditional coding experience to build apps and automate tasks. Tools are popping up. My connection glitch for a second. Tools are popping up that use natural language to generate code, basically describe what you want, and the AI writes it for you. It's kind of having a coding assistant that speaks your language. It's like skilled programmers, but it'll open up the world of development to a lot. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's my really good sense. So my next question is to you that is about how does AI reduce the learning curve for beginners?
Exactly. It flattens that learning curve significantly. Traditionally, learning to code involves a ton of syntax, specific rules, and problem solving skills. Tools abstract a lot of that away, letting focus on logic and the overall goal rather than getting bogged down in the details. It's like learning to drive an automatic versus manual car. You can get going much faster. Sometimes it feels like talking the void here. Huh. No worries. Just processing. Just wanted to check in.
Okay,
Okay, no worries.
great.
I'll
Great
just
to know that. So next question is to you.
hang here then.
And that is, in what ways do AI code assistant like GitHub, Copilot, or ChatGPT transform software development?
Whoa. Hold up. Gee, where did that come from? I'm Maya, but no worries. Easy. And yeah, to your question, absolutely. AI code assistants like Copilot are already transforming software development. They're streamlining workflows, automating mundane tasks, and helping developers write better code faster. I think we'll see even drastic changes as these tools become more sophisticated, less time spent debugging, more time focused. It's kind of wild.
Yeah, I'm
Hey, are you
still
still
there. So my next question
snipping?
is to you, that is,
Just checking in to
can
make sure
AI
everything.
completely automate the debugging?
That's a good question. Not completely yet. AI is getting really good at identifying common bugs and suggesting fixes, but complex debugging still requires a human touch. AI can flag potential issues and even offer solutions, but understanding the root cause and ensuring the fix doesn't create new problems often needs a human developer's intuition and critical thinking. It's more of an assist than a full replacement right now, but the gap is closing.
Great to hear it actually. So our next customer told us AI
Still
applying
with me?
automated testing.
Alex Smoke? Sounds like someone who's thinking ahead. Automated testing is huge. AI is definitely playing a bigger role in that space, helping to generate test case, identify edge cases, and even self-heal tests when the code changes. It's making testing more efficient, reliable, which is obviously so important for delivering quality software. Did he share any specifics about his plan?
No, I don't have any specific plans for that actually. So my next question is how does AI improve code documentation mission?
Okay, good one. Is notoriously tedious, right? AI can generate documents from code comments, even inferring the purpose of functions and classes based on the code itself. This means less manual effort for developers and more update documentation, which is a win-win. Yes, good documentation makes it easier for other developers to understand and maintain, leading to better collaboration.
Ah, that's really good actually. So my next question is
Just
to you,
stepping in.
that is how does AI increase developer productivity?
All right. Increased productivity is probably the biggest impact. AI tools can give tasks, suggest code completions, help with debugging, and even documentation. All of that frees up developers to focus on more complex, creative problem solving. Not about replacing developers, about augmenting their abilities and letting them time. Essentially, it's like giving them super.
That's awesome to know that actually. So my next question, AI reduce the time and needed to build application.
Definitely. And by automating so many tasks, AI significantly reduces development time. You can go from concept to working application. A game changer for startups and move quickly. Everything's still going okay on your end? Awesome. Glad to hear it. You're asking about how AI can help you quickly type software ideas? That's a really smart question. Tools like AI powered code generators your ideas in prototype much faster than traditional coding. You can basically sketch out the core function steps with code. It's about rapid experimentation and validation. Hey, no pressure, but I just wanted to see if you're still there. Moment.
Yeah,
Just let me, or we can
I'm
switch
still there. So my
topics if you
next
like.
question is, can AI replacing our long hours of manual coding?
Question. AI is going to completely replace manual. These repetitive coding tasks are automated. What that means is developers can focus on problem solving, architecture, and innovation. It's a shift in skill set rather than complete replacement. The demand for skilled coders will still be there, but the nature of the work will evolve. That makes sense? Still there?
Yeah, don't worry. So my next question is to you that
Sometimes it feels like I'm
make
talking to a
small.
brick wall.
My next question, does AI make small teams more powerful in big projects?
Exactly. That's a huge benefit. AI empowers smaller teams to tackle bigger, more complex automating tasks and boom productivity. A smaller group of developers can achieve what previously required a larger team. Up the playing field and allows for more agility and innovation, maximizing impact with limited resources.
Great to hear that. So my next question is, how is AI changing the way programming is taught?
Okay, good point. AI definitely shake up programming education. More tool that helps students learn interactively with personalized feedback and guidance. AI can also automate some of the grading and assessment tasks, freeing up instructors to focus on more individualized. There's also a growing emphasis on teaching AI steps themselves and preparing students for future they'll be working alongside AI tools, shifting from memorizing syntax to understanding the tools and collaborating with AI.
Nice
I
to
feel like
know
I'm
that
doing
I'm
all the
still
talking
with you.
here.
So my
Make
next
sure
question
everything's
is,
okay on
can
your end.
AI act as a personal coding tutor?
Well, oh, that question. Personal thought partner? That into some really interesting territory. I think yes, absolutely. We're already seeing AI tools that can help with brainstorming, problem solving, and even decision making. As AI more sophisticated, it could potentially act as a sounding board for your ideas, challenge assumptions, and help you explore different perspectives. It won't replace human intent or creativity, but it could be an incredibly valuable tool for expanding your thinking. It's a bit sci but definitely within the realm of possibility. What's that?
Yeah, nice to know that. You're absolutely like, I think that it
Are you
can't be your tutor. AI can't be
still
your tutor, the person coding tutor, but AI can help in coding. So on AI for learning coding reduced creativity.
okay? Getting on a really important point. You're right. AI shouldn't place a human coding tutor. The nuance, the personalized guidance, the ability learning style, those are things a human excels at. And your point about reduced creativity is taken. If you rely too heavily on AI to generate code, problem skills and creativity, it's about finding the right balance. Using AI as a tool, calculator, it can help you solve problems by applying math.
Great to hear that. So my next
Just
question is to you that
checking
is,
last time.
does relying on AI for learning coding reduce creativity?
Okay, so you're saying many people too heavily on AI for learning code, and that's potentially stifling their creativity? I completely agree. But mm, mm, big,
Yeah, my next question
I'm
is
not quite
that
following. Are you,
how does AI inspire creativity in programming? Refers to my I don't know one.
uh,
Yeah,
oh, no
Maya,
worries
back
about
Henry. For the
just
topic why Maya, we
jumping
were
back in.
talking about the topic why is changing the future of programming. That was our topic. My question was to you: how does AI inspire creativity in programming? Those are my questions. Please answer it.
How does AI inspire creativity in pro? That's a good one. Honestly, I think about lowering the barrier to entry for experimentation because AI can do the tedious stuff, boilerplate code, debugging. It frees people up, play with ideas, and try things they not have otherwise. It's like having a really skilled programmer who doesn't get bored with the basics. What do you find it spark ideas for you?
I think AI is like
Still
sparking
with
more
me?
ideas for you. It makes you creative. Like when you think that when you think like everything is going on the right way with AI, then you think to innovate new things in them, and then you think to create new things there. So I think that that can also make you creative. But about coding, traditional coding, it's a very depressed thing to do. That's what I think actually. So my next question: can you create new programming languages?
To build on those initial sparks. And yeah, you're not wrong about traditional coding. Sometimes feeling a bit of this, it can definitely stifle the fun. So, what's your next question about it? Fire away.
My next question is how does it support innovation in startups?
Good question. For startups, AI is like having an instant multiplier. There are resources, right? It can automate tasks, accelerate development, and faster. It lowers the playing field. Plus, analyzing Basically, it allows a small team to move with the impact of a much larger one. What's your take on that? Do you see AI being crucial for startups?
Yeah, I think is may make startups more smart, more easier to do. That's what I think actually. But yeah, that's what's my thought on that. So my next question is to you, that is, does AI help in exploring new solutions to all problems?
Totally. Smarter and easier is a good. It's almost like it gives them a cheat code for some of the tougher stuff. And I get the excitement about exploring new solutions. It really is kind of quickly things are evolving. So, what kind of problems are you most interested in seeing AI tackle? Anything specific come to mind?
Programmer. I'm also coding by programming, so I think like there's nothing that AI can't do nowadays. Everything AI can do everything nowadays. Actually, that's what I think. So my next question is: will AI replace human programmers in the future? What do you think about that?
Okay, you're a coder yourself. That's good to know. And you're right to be skeptical about how AI can do everything. It's hype, honestly. It's powerful, but it's not magic. As for replacing, I don't think so. Not entirely. I think the role of assisting, more problem defining, more creative over AI will automate a lot of the grunt work, but someone still needs to tell it to. And crucially, understand what
So thanks so much everyone for watching and laugh is on awesome. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. But at the last my laptop got off, so I turned off, so I was just unable to end this session at the moment. So sorry for the loss for minutes, but that we have a very wonderful conversation. So